In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a link you can share with anyone you want to invite to your meeting. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your web browser, and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once Teams is open, look along the left-hand side of the screen for the calendar icon. Go ahead and click on Calendar. This is where all your scheduled meetings live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. In the calendar view, look towards the top right corner for the option that says New Meeting. Click that, and a scheduling window will appear. This is where you'll set up all the details for your meeting and generate the link. Start by giving your meeting a clear descriptive title so your attendees know what it's about. For example, you might enter something like Project Update or Weekly Check-in. Below the title, you'll see a field for adding required attendees. You can type in names or email addresses here if you already know exactly who you want to invite. But you don't have to add anyone yet to get a meeting link. The link will still be created even if you leave this field empty. Next, choose the date and time for your meeting. Use the drop-downs or calendars to set the start and end time. Make sure the time zone is correct, especially if you're meeting with people in different regions. If this is a meeting that repeats, like a weekly or monthly session, you can adjust the recurrence settings so you don't have to create a new link every time. You can also add a location if you want, but for an online meeting, you can leave that as Microsoft Teams meeting. In the large description box, you can type an agenda or any important notes your participants should see ahead of time. Once everything looks good, click Save. As soon as you save the meeting, Teams automatically creates a unique meeting link. To get that link, open the meeting you just created from your calendar. In the meeting details, you'll see the phrase, Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. Right-click that link and copy it, or use the Copy Link option if it's available. Now you can paste that meeting link into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you communicate with your participants. When they click it at the scheduled time, they'll be able to join your Teams meeting with a single click.